What you doing?
Oh, we were just working on the dimmer for the lights.
Ooh.
I think we got it. Give her a
See
shot.
how it works.
Give her a test. All right, dimmer all the way down.
Whoa.
Is that all the way down?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
All right, turn around. Dimmer all the way up.
Wow.
Nice.
Very cool. We fancy.
Hello. We have got a busy day here today. It's about 3 p.m. and we haven't really done a lot other than shopping this morning, just looking for different parts and other things. We got a lot of things going on at the cabin today. We got the new dock going in here, and they're tearing out the old one. So we're kind of in and out in the camper van. We're waiting on the window to come in because we're going to start on that window as soon as that missing piece gets in. And then once we get the window in, we're probably just going to finish up as much of the driver's side as we possibly can. Maybe even start framing out that shower. I don't know how far we get. The window takes a long time, so I'd be happy if we just got that in today. So here we are back at the top of the van. Hi, Lisa. Hi. Back at the top of the van. You all might remember that we got this sweet roof rails that we pulled off of a dead Mercedes-Benz 3500. And the thing went on great. Fit perfectly. It's awesome. The thing it didn't come with was any of the hardware to actually mount anything to it. So I went looking online and all of the hardware was incredibly expensive. I mean, we're talking like $15 to $20 for 2 bolts just to attach things. And I need 8 of them. That would have been like $100 just to mount my solar on the roof. Nah. So what I did is I found these things called elevator bolts right here. And I think these are gonna work. So they're circular bolts, and what I need to do is actually cut them, shave off some on this side and some on the other side to make them rectangular, so that way they'll fit in this channel. And then once they get in, I tighten them all down, then they won't turn once they're in there, so I can tighten them real tight. And that's what I'm gonna use to mount my solar and anything else I put on the roof. So I don't know, I gotta get to grinding and hopefully grind these to a nice, perfect-ish square. Wish me luck. That is starting to look really good. I think we've got to take a little more off from that, but I think this is going to work. Oh, it's starting to look good. All right, pull that off. All right, how's the other side? A little chunky on top. Okay, I think we got it. Oh, that fits so nice. Well, and then it holds tight too. So I think that's going to work. Look at that. Good job, Lisa Mar.
Josh is about to embark on the next window journey.
Cutting window number 2. This one feels less scary than the last one, which means that I'll probably do a crappier job at cutting the hole.
Oh boy.
Yeah, feeling all overconfident. We're gonna see how it goes. I just got the pilot hole drilled, and I'm just gonna start drilling all the way around. Screwing jigsawing all the way around the thing. So.
No fear.
Go slow at the corners.
Slow at the corners. Don't be afraid to back up.
Your last tip was start earlier with the turns of your corners.
That's right,
from the last video. And yeah, you have your reinforcement to hold the window so it doesn't jiggle as much.
Thanks, past me.
Yep.
Okay, time to go.
Here we go. How do you feel post-cut?
I mean, that was, when I first started, I thought that was totally going off the rails. Because I couldn't see. My glasses were fogging up. The whole thing was vibrating like a leaf in the wind, which means you don't know which way to go. And I was actually getting blocked by those cuts up at the top where we actually took the strips off. I realized that's why I wasn't able to cut straight, because I was trying to turn, but the bottom of my saw was hitting that, so I couldn't do anything. Once I figured all those 3 problems out mid-cut, the rest of it went, I think, pretty well. We fit the window in. The window actually fits. Whew. Feel much better now, but man, that thing started off pretty bad.
Good job.
Thanks. Very dentist sound.
Very, very post-traumatic stress disorder for me. I had 12 cavities growing up. I have to tell people that my brother's going to be a dentist someday, so, you know,
And then
I'm not scared of dentists. I've actually had really good experiences at dentist's office. It's just, I'm terrified of that sound, the drill.
I think everybody is.
And the needle for the anesthesia.
Oh yeah, that thing's scary. They bring it out, it's like that long.
And they always try to hide it so you don't get freaked out, but then when they show you, they're like, here it is.
It's true, it makes it worse. I always want to see the needle when it goes in. Are you the type of person that wants to like see the needle right before it goes in?
I do. Well, back then I didn't. I don't know. Maybe it would have helped to see it first.
Yeah, like whenever they take blood from me or anything like that,
I
always have to. Yeah, I gotta watch it.
Yeah.
It's worse if I don't. Good paint job.
Yeah. Now we're painting with some Rust-Oleum primer, so you know this side of the window doesn't rust on the edges. It's a nice color, blends in, not really.
Luckily, it's totally covered up with the window.
Yeah. I'm gonna go inside now because I'm a little too short for this.
Okay, have a good time in there. Just like that, another window down. This one went a lot smoother than last time. I think we just solved all the problems the first time that we did it to make it fit for the van. So it turns out that the solution for this one was 1x2 for the top frame and the bottom frame, and that fit perfectly in there. And then we had to use some of this really thin 5/8 inch, I think. Might even be less than that. This stuff that we use for our ceiling. And then we used a 1/2 inch sheet of plywood on each side. And that really, you can see it in there, that thing really helped it sandwich it together. Ring over the top, just screwed it together. I think these windows are great. I am super happy with their quality. They haven't leaked at all. Everything works on them. They're really nice, and they're only like 120 bucks a piece. So I would definitely recommend these windows over the ones that they sell on Amazon. The Amazon ones are like 240 bucks, and I think you still have to go through all these same things to make it work with what you got. Highly recommend these Rec Pro windows. Cannot highly recommend their customer service, though. You are definitely on your own if you order that. So just know that before you get into it. You got to be a little handy or have some very highly qualified help to to help you get these in.
We have a window!
Right over there.
Another one.
That one.
Pretty cool.
It's super cool.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, this one took only about a half an hour. The last one took like 4 or 5 hours.
Awesome.
So once you figure out all the weirdness to installing a window on these Sprinter vans, it goes kind of quick. It's not an easy install, though. There's a lot of framing that you got to do, a lot of wood to cut, a lot of weird stuff. So now we're in really good position now to finish up that window, and then siding, and then putting cabinets.
Very excited.
Yeah, all the cool stuff on the driver's side that we've been waiting to put in, and the shower.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Well, and the bunk bed.
Yep.
And the other bunk. So many things.
A lot of cool stuff coming.
A lot of things to look forward to. Keep watching and follow along with us. And
Yeah.
if you like this content, feel free to subscribe to our channel or give us a like or both.
Yeah.
Please.
We can finally see the finish line for the first time on this thing, and that's a big deal.
Yeah.
This has been a long time coming. We put a lot of work into this so far, so I'm super happy with the way it's turning out. It's gonna start getting really cool really fast.
Good night, guys.
Good night. Back at the top of the van.
Zip ties.
Those zip ties are cool. They are cool. So I went looking online, and all of the that.
Do leaves vibrate in the wind?
Yeah, they blow.
They seem to flutter down,
Sure, that's what it looked like.
float down.
Yeah.
Stuff that glues to metal, right? Yes.
It's a library. I forgot it was a library.
Yeah. How's that wedding band treating you?
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's starting to feel a little heavy, though. The weight of marriage.
You chose that life. So keep watching and follow us along.
So keep watching and follow along with us.
Yeah,
really
sorry.
appreciate it.
Follow us along. Keep keep watching and follow us.